Hi, my name is Alan Krevis with Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to 300 East 71st, a sought-after co-op on the Upper East Side. 15G is a spacious, light-filled, quiet convertible 3-bedroom, 2-bath with both east and west exposures. Enter through a gracious foyer which leads to a living dining area. The primary bedroom with an ensuite marble bathroom has both a walk-in closet and a linen closet. Generous south-facing second bedroom. The corner third bedroom can also be reconfigured to a dining area. The Theo is a full-service co-op in the heart of the Upper East Side. Co-purchasing, gifting, and pied-à-terres are allowed. Building features include live-in superintendent, concierge, and 24-hour doorman. Beautifully landscaped roof deck, as well as a brand new gym, bike storage units for rent, laundry, and a bike room. Theo is steps away from the finest restaurants and shopping on the Upper East Side and 1 block from the Q train as well as the crosstown bus. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Please contact me for a show.